If you're thinking about selling your home in San Diego, especially in a high-demand neighborhood like North Park, here's something you shouldn't overlook: how your home is photographed. I'm Z with the McT Real Estate Group, and today I want to talk about something simple but surprisingly common. A lot of listings are still being photographed by the agent on their phone. And sure, iPhones are amazing now. The cameras are sharp, the colors look good. It seems like it should be good enough, right? But here's the truth. There's a big difference between good enough and great. When your home hits the market, you only get one chance to make a first impression. And for most buyers, that impression doesn't happen at the open house. It happens online. They're swiping through Zillow or Redfin on their phone. They see your home for 2 seconds. If the photo doesn't grab them, they scroll right past. That's why professional photography and professional video matters. It's not just about using a better camera. It's about knowing how to tell a visual story. Where's the light coming in? What angle makes the room feel open? What do you leave out of the frame? What do you focus on? Those choices aren't random. A good photographer knows how to walk through your home and make it shine without hiding anything and without making it feel overly staged. Now let's talk about your agent's role in all of this. Your agent should never be the one taking the photos. It doesn't matter how good their phone is. That's not their job. Your agent should be investing in a pro, someone who does this full time, someone who has the right gear, knows how to edit, and knows how buyers view homes online. And that goes for video too. Buyers today love video walkthroughs. They want to feel the flow of the home before they step inside. And if your agent is uploading a shaky, grainy video shot on their phone, it's not helping your sale. At McT Real Estate Group, we never cut corners, especially when it comes to presentation. Every home gets professional photography and video. Some get drone shots and video. We choose what works best for your property. But no matter what, we don't show up with an iPhone and call it good. This is San Diego, this is North Park. Homes here are unique. They deserve to be shown the right way. And when we do that well, your home stands out. You get more clicks, more showings, and usually stronger offers. If you're planning to sell and want to talk through the right approach for your home, let's chat. I'm Z with the McT Real Estate Group here in North Park. We'll walk you through exactly how we prep and promote your home and what kind of photos and video will get buyers through the door. Reach out and book a free consultation anytime. No pressure, just a smart plan that's proven to work